time. Got to do a big CA ride. Should be a lot of fun.
Glad to be invited along. Hope all the CA customers have a great time today.
Oh, you're recording this? Oh no. My strategy just to go out and have fun, yeah. I don't bike that much, so this is just gonna be a joyride.
Can't complain about the weather. Good scenery. I think it's going to be a good day. Ask me that when I'm done.
We had a great time at the show. A lot of fun after hours too. But overall, it was a great CA World. Here we are on our last day of CA World, and we always end it with a great bike ride. We're just about 30 minutes outside Las Vegas in Boulder City, right by the Hoover Dam, and we're going to ride all the way up 34 miles up around Lake Mead. Got about 140 customers here. It is just a great day to be riding.
Well, very interesting, very nice, and excellent location. I mean, the weather was beautiful.
I did it. I survived. Thank you, CA. Thank you, CA World.
Das hat mir irgendwie macht Spaß gemacht. Wunderbar. It was nice, beautiful. Thank you so much.
What a great way to end CA World. We're making a $100,000 contribution to the state of Nevada for all of the high school programs that are for science, technology, engineering, and math, and we're doing it on behalf of all of you riders. So that's a great way for us to give back here.